Hey, in this video I'll show you how to turn your live photos into beautiful animated stickers that you can use in iOS 17. So make sure you give me a like, hit the subscribe button. I just took 1,000 photos so you don't see my personal photos. And all you need to do to create those is just open up your Messages app, start a new message and click on the plus icon right here. You want to select stickers. And here you have a few options. And normally you don't have these, right? You don't have this one and you don't have the other one. So what you want to do is open up here, go here and click on this icon. Not here, but click here. If you don't have this menu, you will have an arrow heading right. You want to click on it and then select the menu. Then you want to click on the plus icon, and if you do not have any stickers, you do have create a new sticker or something like that, click the plus icon and then select any photo. For example, I took 1,000 ones, so just let's use this one. Click on add sticker and there it is. You can also add effects, like here you can make it comic, you can make it outline, you can make it shiny, just like so. So you can do an outline here. Here, this one you can make it add effect, you can make it shiny, and this one you can make it puffy or something. So it's very easy to do. You can also rearrange them if there are certain ones that use a little bit more. If you're still having any questions whatsoever around turning live photos into animated stickers in iOS 17, let me know in the comment section down below and I would love to help you out. Subscribe if you're new, hit the like button. See you next one.